Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 348th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. Before I begin, I want to wish all the ladies a happy International Women's Day to all you around the world. May God bless each and every one of you. I had some leftover oranges and I figured why not make a delicious orange treat. So that's what I'm going to make. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make an orange gooey butter cake. And my friends, it is thebomb.com, full of orange flavor. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. It's going to be so rich, decadent, gooey, and melt in your mouth delicious. Everybody's going to fall in love with this dessert. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my previous video, stuffed bell peppers. I'll also post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your cake mix, your oranges, and your cream cheese sugar because we're about to bake some orange gooey butter cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the crust. In my bowl I have one package of orange cake mix. If you can't find orange, you can use yellow or butter golden, even a vanilla cake mix. You can make it into an orange creamsicle version. That would be yummy. And into our cake mix we're going to add in one stick, which is a half a cup of melted unsalted butter that I cooled. The zest of a medium or large orange, and one extra large egg at room temperature. And we're going to mix everything together until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what the crust looked like. Nice and thick. Love the smell of orange. Smells incredible. Alright, that was great. Now we're ready to put it into the pan. We're going to put it in a 9x13" long baking dish that I greased with cooking spray. And we're going to flatten the crust all over. Alright my friends, now we're going to set the crust aside while we work on that luscious filling. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have one 8-ounce package of cream cheese that I let come to room temperature. And we're going to add in a 16-ounce box, which is a pound of powdered sugar that's sifted. And we're going to cream those until they're fluffy. You want to start on low so that way you won't make a mess. You won't have powdered sugar all over you. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in one stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter that melted. Now we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs at room temperature, the zest of a medium large orange, a third of a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of pure orange extract. Mix all those ingredients in until they're well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in a few drops of orange food coloring to give it a nice orange color. Alright my friends, our orange filling is done. Look at that beautiful orange color. I'm in orange heaven. Can smell the orange extract, the orange zest and juice. I love making gooey butter cakes. They're so simple, easy, and tasty. I made a lemon, sweet potato, and a strawberry gooey butter cake on my channel. I'll post a link to my gooey butter cake recipes playlist down below in the description box. Look at that. Nice and silky. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour the filling on top of the crust. Alrighty, my friends, now we're ready to put our orange gooey butter cake in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350 degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. Be careful not to over bake it. You still want it just a little gooey in the middle. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Orange gooey butter cake. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. See how nice and golden brown that is around the edges? And it's a little gooey in the middle. Alright, that looks great. So now I'm going to let this cool. And then I'll cut them into squares. Fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I garnish it with some whipped cream and an orange slice on top. Don't that look marvelous? Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. This is orangey-licious. Full of orange goodness. The crust is nice and chewy. If y'all love orange desserts, y'all gonna love this gooey butter cake. This is awesome. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum! Orange gooey butter cake, delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.